Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a truly special car, a revival that blends nostalgia with the future. This is the 2025 Citroën 2CV, a modern homage to one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. The original 2CV was once dubbed the umbrella on wheels, a minimalist car built for practicality, simplicity, and affordability. Fast forward to 2025, and Citroën has brought it back, but with a futuristic twist. As the car pulls up to the EEG camera, it's clear this isn't just a cosmetic update. The 2025 version embraces the charm of the original, but elevates it with clean, electric elegance. The front end is a tribute to its roots, with rounded headlights that feel retro yet crisp. A smooth, curved bonnet seamlessly flows into a slightly raised fender line. The signature ribbed hood returns, not just for aesthetics, but as a functional nod to lightweight structural design. Instead of the traditional chrome grille, we now have a flush LED panel that doubles as both a light signature and an aerodynamic surface. Moving along the side, the silhouette remains unmistakably 2CV. The tall, arched roofline and high ground clearance are lovingly retained, but now rest atop aerodynamic alloy wheels and side panels carved with delicate sculpting for better airflow. The suicide doors are gone, replaced by sleek, frameless ones that open with a gentle electronic push. Subtle retro badges and soft plastic cladding around the wheel arches blend practicality with style. There's also a retractable fabric roof, keeping the spirit of the original alive while using modern, weather-resistant materials. At the rear, Citroën has kept things minimalist. The soft curve of the back window is framed by vertical taillights that pay homage to the old-school design. The bumper is integrated into the body with a matte metallic finish, giving it a rugged yet refined feel. And there's no tailpipe, of course. This is a fully electric vehicle. A subtle badge lets you know this is an E2CV, whispering its evolution instead of shouting it. Open the door and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious interior that balances simplicity with tech. The dashboard is clean, almost Scandinavian, in its minimalism. A single widescreen spans behind the steering wheel, housing both driving data and infotainment controls. Citroën has leaned into tactile materials, natural fibers, recycled fabrics, soft-touch plastics. The steering wheel is two-spoked, just like the original, but it's now capacitive and hosts haptic feedback buttons. Seating is upright but ergonomic, made with eco-friendly foam and light padding that mimics the hammock-like seats of its predecessor. There's room for four, and the cargo space in the rear has been smartly expanded with folding back seats and a hidden underfloor compartment. Driving. The new 2CV is where the transformation truly shines. Underneath the retro shell is Citroën's compact electric platform. You're looking at a single motor setup with 130 horsepower. Nothing crazy, but more than enough for daily driving and small trips. The range? Around 250 miles on a full charge, thanks to a lightweight chassis and efficient energy management. Regenerative braking helps recapture energy in urban environments, and the ride quality is uniquely Citroën. Soft, cushioned, with that legendary magic carpet feel, enhanced by modern suspension. It's quiet, it's light on its feet, and it turns heads without trying. In terms of pricing, Citroën has stayed true to the original's philosophy of accessibility. The base model starts at approximately $24,000 in Europe, or around $27,000, if and when it lands in the US market. That gets you the essentials: the electric powertrain, touchscreen interface, and standard range. A premium trim adds adaptive cruise control, upgraded materials, heated seats, and a panoramic solar roof, bringing it closer to $29,000. Optional accessories like roof racks and custom color packages keep personalization fun and affordable. So, Who is this car really for? It's for those who want charm with conscience, drivers who appreciate heritage but live in the now, city dwellers, weekend adventurers, maybe even young families looking for something refreshingly different in a sea of anonymous crossovers. But it's not for everyone. If you're hunting for speed or luxury, this isn't the car. It's about character, community, and the joy of driving something simple, smart, and stylish. As we wrap up, the 2025 Citroën 2CV isn't just a car, it's a statement. A celebration of a past that wasn't perfect, but was filled with intention. Citroën hasn't just modernized the 2CV, they've reimagined what it could mean today. Accessible, electric mobility wrapped in a story-rich design. It's nostalgic without being naive, and futuristic without losing its soul. Thanks for riding along today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what you think of this electrified classic. Would you drive one? Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your heart curious. See you in the next one.